developer of Infidel IT Solutions. Today in this tutorial I will discuss the most important things about the business websites. So Zoho site is the best platform for designing your website like the way you want, and you don't need any coding experience. So it's very simple, just drag and drop websites for different kind of business purpose. You can host your website very easily with no coding experience, so you don't need any designer or developer. For different variety of website like real estate website, broker website, call center website, clinic and hospital website, college and university websites, health and beauty care product websites, software servicing company website like car servicing company website, consulting, marketing. So a lot of government agency website. You can easily choose the Zoho sites for hosting your websites and designing your website with very professional looks, and they are really very good, and with the drag and drop interface, no needs any codings or any type of language to be get acquainted with the system. So let's have a look what actually in the Zoho site. So I'm going to share my screen very soon. So what is in the Zoho site? So let's have a look. So let's have a look what actually in the Zoho sites and what is the most professionals and advanced features of Zoho sites. So let's have a look in the Zoho sites. You see, this is the Zoho sites. I'm in the interface of Zoho sites front end. So you can build your website like the way you want. That means you don't need any coding experience. So you can choose Zoho sites for blogging, photography, business, arts, and for many purposes you can do it. So you see, there are a lot of pre-design and stunning templates in the Zoho sites. Actually, you see, there are a lot of templates. There are pre-designed templates for different business websites. So you don't need to do anything designs. So if you think you don't have any knowledge of designing, so you can choose the right templates for your business. Then you can start your website. So like beauty and healthcare product templates, designer templates, sportsman's templates, and the food, love and happiness, that means herbal care products templates. So there are a lot of templates. If I scroll them to the left and right, you see there are a lot of templates actually, and they are really very gorgeous, professional, looks nicer, clean and fit templates. So you see in the section is a parts of the web page. So like a web page consists of a group of sections. You see, you can easily drag and drop the sections and design your DGR website like the layout you choose. You see, these are the layouts, and you can drag and drop the layouts and start designing your websites. And there are about 190 sections available, and they are pre-designed, so you don't need to design anything. And visual editor for making your website looks very professional, like changing your font color, margin, paddings, and put the pictures to the right positions. Everything you can do by visual editor, by positioning your social icons. Everything you can do by visual editors, the most advanced editors, and the drag and drop tools. And you see, the most advanced features of Zoho site is the page version. Suppose you have designed the websites 3 or 4 days earlier, and now you have designed the websites and the web page got broke down. In these cases, from page version you can store back to 3 or 4 days earlier design. So page version is really very cool features in Zoho sites. And you know, the design templates are fully responsive in all devices like tab, desktop, mobile phones, or any devices. And the member portal, suppose you have a lot of clients and you want to enable the member portal in your website to view the website only in restricted mode. You can enable the member portal, the most important features for the website who have the subscription business. So I like this feature, it's very much pretty cool feature. So share and auto publish, this is another cool features. You can directly share your blog post to the website like WordPress, Wix or any sites, or in your website designing Zoho sites, and you can auto publish the blog post in your website and it should be automatically published to your social platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram and many more. So let's have these calls and integration. So this is the most important features and very cool feature of Zoho sites. That's others website platform don't have, like WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace and any others website platform. They don't have the default integration system that Zoho sites has. Like you can fully integrate your Zoho site with Zoho CRM system. They are very cool features and you can easily track how many customers is clicking your website, from which source they are coming from. You can track your website visitors behaviors, visitor rates, from which browser they are coming from, which geolocations they are coming from. You can easily track them by integrating the Zoho Page Sense. So let's have a look. Provide chat supports for real-time chat supports in your websites. If clients or visitors want to discuss with the website owner or want to discuss or have some query, they can initiate the chat bots for chatting real times, or chat bots like a real human. So this is very cool features of the integration with Zoho Sales IQ. And another thing is pretty cool, like Zoho Campaign or Zoho Marketing Hub for your marketing automation. So it's built in Zoho platform, so you don't need to use any extra tools for getting this feature. So I like these features also. Publish blog automatically by using social publish. This is the modern features and pretty cool features. So I like this, pretty cool features. So rating and reviews, there are a lot of companies worldwide. The most renowned company in the world use Zoho sites for hosting their websites, and they have put their valuable feedbacks. These are the feedbacks. If you have times, you can go through and check the feedbacks. Start creating your website from very fast, or you can start designing your website from scratch, or either you can use the free design templates for different business types. So this is really pretty cool features, pretty good. So you see they are really responsive in the desktop and mobile applications or in mobile device. So there are a lot of pre-designed templates you can use. There are a lot of videos for guiding and instruction for designing and configuration purpose. You can use. There are a lot of live webinars. There are a lot of new features coming every time. There are user guidelines, so you don't need third party or hire any freelancer or something else, because there are user guidelines and all of the FAQ listed here. And you see recorded webinar, you can have a look for getting insight about the designing criteria or something else. Take a tool what actually in the features, template, responsive designs and visual looks. There is the most important thing is the Zoho site community for discussing the Zoho site problems, for discussing so many things about Zoho site like designing and setup criteria or any other criteria. You can get insight from the community of Zoho sites. There are a lot of articles and blog published regarding the Zoho sites features, configuration, integrations, and what's new in the Zoho sites. You can get it from what's new section. And developer space for template customization. If you think you don't like any of the templates designed in Zoho sites, so you can yourself design the custom template with different language. And so let's jump to the Zoho features. This is Zoho site features. You see, you can create the Zoho sites with stunning look and most professional and attractive looks. You can drag and drop the element easily. There are elements, the section, the separates to the top and right for giving you the page section more attractive look. There should be the dynamic backgrounds with the dynamic pictures, colors or something else. And in the customization section, you can customize everything by the customization wizard, like the header of the websites, like the top bar, animation, logos, site in mobile view, header, everything. HTML, CSS, you can put custom class names, responsive templates, auto save feature. You don't need to save every time you design the sites. Visual editor for giving the attractive looks, for changing everything by visual editor, page version, message bars like cookie concepts or something else you want to show, or any announcement. You can use message bar, custom domain name. So you can put the custom domain names to be launched with your website, or you can use the Zoho site sub domains. And logo Favicon can be updated manually. Captivate features like audio, video, code snippet, Photosets, LightBox, animation. A lot of advanced features are available. Just drag and drop to the editor. It should be okay, and it should be look like more functional than it was ever. You see how easy they are. Connection, like you are the owner of the websites, but you have the security purpose. You don't want to share the security with your designer. In this purpose, you can choose a contributors for working in your websites, like developer, admin, or any other role permissions. You can enable the member portal. Access restriction, sometimes it look like that you want to give the permission for the visitors to visit only a few of the pages in your website. In these cases, you can enable the access control or access restriction features. This is very pretty cool features. And this is the comments that they can put, like blogs, comment box, forms, Zoho Forms integration, like inbuilt integrations with Zoho Forms. The one-line application for collecting payments, information, and for any other features, you can integrate Zoho Forms directly. Capturing. So the most important things when we will design your websites, we have the headaches. How I can rank your website on the Google or any other search engine. So this is the most concerning things. But this features is really pretty cool in Zoho sites. In Zoho sites has the inbuilt SEO doing functions like you can add the title or the description, meta title, keywords. You can analyze the keywords. You can analyze the traffics, how many customers are coming from. So everything you can do. That's they are pretty cool features. You can verify the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Bing Analytics, Sitemaps. Everything you can do from one place, and the one-page SEO as well. And you can put the Walter tag for every images that is really necessary for SEO purpose. So confidence, so hosting is free under Zoho One license, so you don't need to provide extra money for buying the Zoho One license. Buying the Zoho site license, because under Zoho One license, Zoho site is totally free, so you don't need to put any extra money for designing and for hosting your website. SSL is totally free, and website should be password protected if you want, and GDPR Compliant fully supported. And circulating features like social share, you can share your post or something else by social share, auto published. Whenever any blog published to your website, it should be automatically published in your website as well. and a lot of more. So actually there's you can click in the learn more section and you can get insights about the details. Start creating your website. So let's have access to the website. So I'm not going to access right now. So this is the pretty cool features. You can start from the scratch, and they are the elements. They are really drag and drop features. Pretty cool, clean, neat and clean. These are the sections of the templates. These are the visual editor for changing color, presets, or everything you can do by setting visual editors. You can change your font color, title color, you can change the top bar color, you can change the margin, padding, you can change the layout of the blogs, header, footer, everything you can do. So Geosites is really stunning. You can choose it for hosting your business sites, for managing everything from one place like CRM, bookings, job forms, sales IQ, job bookings, job flow, everything so you can manage from one place. So I recommend always to use the Zoho sites for designing your business website. I think this tutorial will help you to decide to choose the best platform for hosting your business websites. And thanks everybody for watching this video. I will try to cover everything in the next tutorial about more of Zoho sites. What's the features inside there? I will try to cover the video for each and every features in Zoho sites. I think this would be helpful for you. So if you have any anything, so put everything in the comment sections, or you can email us. It should be in the description box, list our email, websites, and all the details. So I think you have liked this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with us. Thanks.